Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, and this is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets. I am a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix when talking and trading crypto. You know what? Everything's in the matrix now. Who am I kidding? The fiat world's in the matrix too. I mean, there's definitely some trading floors out there, but there's very few people on the floor anymore. I spent 30 years on the floors. Well, maybe not quite 30 years, but a damn long time. And I learned a few things about trading along the way. And I am hoping to pass some of that wisdom and knowledge on. Let's do the rounds because I want to talk about something here. Doing the rounds, I do it every day. It's my chance to talk about things in the headlines, observations, things that I think matter. All right. And the past couple of days, weeks, we've been on this BNB, the Binance coin, and a great move in it today. Seeing dropped. I might have to upload this. Anyways, once we get through this, I will re-upload if there is a problem with it. But the Binance coin, so let's talk about it. And so people are like, well, what's the Binance coin, and why does it matter if it's showing strength? And so the Binance coin is known as BNB. It was used to raise money for the platform on its ICO conducted in 2017. And BNB is a utility coin with the main purpose of offering discounts on trading. And every quarter, Binance buys back BNB with 20% of their tokens, and it burns it. So it's got a natural, what do they call that word? Well, there's less and less of it as it goes forward. I know there's a burn on it. There's a burn rate that goes on it. So it's a diminishing supply out there. But more importantly, I think, is the correlation I am drawing from two things here. Binance coin going up in value because the more people are trading, the more discounts they're gonna deploy if they own the BNB token. So you want to own a bunch of tokens if you're going to trade a lot because you get discounted trading then. It's pretty straightforward. The other thing you will see on the EndoTech.io site is that the dollar tether as part of the assets or the market cap has gone from 5th to 7th, indicating that many people are leaving the tether. And are they going towards a fiat equivalent, or are they putting the money back into crypto assets? And we've seen nice action in Litecoin, in Tron, and in BNB here. Those are the leaders so far for sure. So all of this points to me maybe that this rounding bottom that we've talked about, maybe there's some fundamental stuff, and I hate doing that. I hate being the fundamental guy. That's not me. I'm the technical guy. But there is some flavor maybe in the soup fundamentally, and these are the couple of things that I'm looking at and paying attention to. All right, listen, we are going to take the vitals, and I will upload if there was a problem here with the stream. So please, on YouTube, if you missed this, because what I just said was incredibly important, check out the reload of the stream. All right, listen, let's take the vitals. All right, taking the vitals, we do it every day. It's my chance to talk actual price action. And I've been following EOS, and I don't know why, because EOS has flatlined. Right now, EOS trading 240.80, 240.80 if you want to get out to that decimal point. And it's just, look at it, right again, 2 days in a row, right on the center line. This thing does not have any velocity one way or the other in it. And so I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd early tonight. And if you want to partake in the full segment, you need to be a subscriber at EndoTech.io. So please visit EndoTech.io and subscribe. Also, please follow us on Twitter at EndoTech_IO, and my handle is HFR from the floor. The other thing I wanted to mention before I go is have no fear. Even in the fiat world, you can get two headlines back to back that are completely opposite. And this one pertaining to the stock market, as Raymond James specialist says that the bottom is going to fall out on the stock market, and the next analyst says that earnings season being negative won't affect the Dow. I don't know how that's possible, but those were the headlines. And finally, before we go, I want to get on this prop bet. Bears win the Super Bowl or Bitcoin trades 20,000. Now we got a full year of the chance the Bears winning the Super Bowl, right? It's a full year. The $20,000 calls on Bitcoin with the caveat that the Bears have to win the Super Bowl before that happens for you to lose. I don't know. I think it's an interesting bet. We got on this whole thing back in August when John McAfee thought Bitcoin was going to trade 15,000 in a couple of weeks. Never materialized. Bitcoin right now trading $34.99. So quite a rally we will have if that takes place. Anyway, those are the things I'm looking at. And let's say goodbye to YouTube. How about we do that? Say goodbye to YouTube and carry on with the show. That is for sure going to be an upload